FastTrack Schedule 10's new interface is easy to use and a perfect fit with the simplicity of Mac OS X. Familiar menus can be found up top, while the redesigned and refined toolbar provides quick access to your most used commands. Easily switch between the schedule, calendar, or resource views. Or have a glance in print preview. Quickly apply layouts or filters for specific project reports, or switch between different timeline units to display more or less detail in your schedule. Launch the iMedia browser to add photos, artwork, and logos to give your schedules that extra touch. Inspired by the elegant iWork suite, the new context-sensitive format bar is full of key scheduling tools to speed your planning and tracking. Use these core tools to easily create, link, and revise activity bars. Show various levels of detail. Apply, create, or modify bar styles. And define the range of dates to display on the timeline graph using the Express Date calendar. With smooth live editing, you can easily format the width of the timeline graph and columns just the way you like them. Layouts allow for quick switching of displayed data based on who you're sharing your schedule with and what you need to share with them. Pinpoint and display specific project details with the many predefined layouts, both simple and complex. Or customize your own. FastTrack Schedule's combination of effort-driven and fixed-duration scheduling options provide the utmost flexibility to schedule the way you want. Switch to the resource layout and activate the resource % work usage graph. For tasks that can be completed faster by adding more resources, use effort-driven scheduling for simple schedule compression. As resources are added or subtracted, task durations are automatically adjusted while keeping the total work for a task constant. Use the progress tracking feature to make status updates while keeping your original plan intact. Switch to the tracking actuals layout to view the actual date and duration columns. As activities are completed, mark them as 100% complete, and activity bars will automatically update with a green fill to indicate the level of % complete. In some cases, activities may take longer to complete than originally planned. When the actual duration is entered, FastTrack Schedule will revise the remaining activity start and finish dates based on the delay. Switch to the tracking layout to see the columns for revised activity dates and durations. Progress tracking is great for accountability as well as analysis for future similar projects. FastTrack Schedule's spreadsheet-like capabilities enable you to create custom calculations. This powerful reporting feature helps generate key project indicators as your schedules are updated and changed. When current activity costs are entered, the variance column calculates the remaining balance from the budgeted amount. If the cost is over budget, another custom-defined calculation column displays over budget. And to see project costs over periods of time, use summary graphs which appear at the bottom of your schedule across the timeline graph. New resource work usage graphs at the base of the Gantt chart provide a detailed snapshot of a resource's free and busy time, enabling you to make precise assignments and effectively manage resource costs. When an activity bar is selected, instantly see all of the resources assigned to that activity and their work allocations for the entire project. Another way to use the graph is to not view resources by the selected activities, but instead choose to focus on one resource's current % work usage. A list of resources in the schedule will be displayed. Choose the desired resource. With Mary selected, I can instantly see the impact on her schedule if I were to assign her to another activity. Just another way FastTrack Schedule makes managing resources easier for you. FastTrack Schedule comes with predefined bar styles. To add that personal touch, you can change bar colors, shapes, and show specific task details on or next to bars and milestones. Included with FastTrack Schedule is a template with hundreds of bar styles available for your use. The file can be found within Templates. Open the file and scroll through the many predefined bar styles. If you find a style that you like, just copy and paste it in your own schedules. With all this flexibility in bar style and milestone creation, you'll create impressive, professional quality schedules that are sure to make an impact. FastTrack Schedule makes it easy to stay focused on the big picture as you track and manage multiple projects. Simply consolidate separate schedules into a master schedule to see how your projects overlap. You can store consolidation templates in FastTrack Schedule's template directory for easy access. Start with a blank schedule, then define which schedules you'd like to consolidate. You are then presented with a Define Consolidation dialog. Select Add to locate and select the schedules you'd like to consolidate into the master file. There is no limit to the number of schedules that can be consolidated. FastTrack Schedule's unique consolidation features ensure that merged schedules retain all key project data, as well as pictures, legends, and bar styles. In the resource view, you'll be able to check the workload of team members and pinpoint areas of under or over allocation. And consolidation works across platforms, so merged files can originate from either the Windows or Mac versions of FastTrack Schedule. FastTrack Schedule easily exchanges information with Microsoft Project. There's no need to re-enter data, simply open MPP, MPT, XML, and MPX files directly into FastTrack Schedule. Once in FastTrack Schedule, you can view project details in 3 main views. And to share changes with a Microsoft Project user, simply export as Project XML.